Usage of connectors. Contrast 3. Compiled and voiced by Nageswar Rao A. English teacher Sri Prakash. In this lesson, let us learn how to join two sentences that contrast each other using the following connectors: although, even though, in spite of the fact that. Let us study the following example. Our English teacher is old. He rides a bicycle. In the above sentences, the first sentence talks about the negative quality of the English teacher, whereas the second sentence talks about the positive quality. Generally, we keep the above connectors before the negative quality. Hence, the given two sentences can be joined as: although our English teacher is old, he rides a bicycle. Though our English teacher is old, he rides a bicycle. In spite of